Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Alifta Fairul Salsabila from the Degree Midwifery Study Program, Kendal Quest. Here, I will explain the layout of the Haji Muhammad Tariqasih Tenggarong Seberang Regional General Hospital. So, from what we see in the picture, if we look from the right side, there is an entrance or exit for public roads, which is supported by a portal. After the entrance, we find the hospital garden. Then go north, there is a visitor parking area. From the park, we turn left, there is a car parking area. Entering north again, there is the Garda office. Next to it is the Merak Polyclinic building. From the Merak Polyclinic, go north and find the Punai inpatient room, which consists of three levels, namely, number 1, VVIP or VIP, number 2, class 1 or 2, number 3, class 3. Then from the Garda office, enter north, there is the Rajawali building which consists of rooms. Number 1, radiology. Number 2, laboratory. Number 3, hemodialysis endoscopy. So next, if we look from the west, there is an emergency entrance, not a public road. After the entrance on the left, there is an employee parking area. Enter again to the north. On the right, there is an emergency room. Next to the emergency room, there is an EJA building which consists of number 1, emergency department and ICU. Number 2, prenatalology obstetrics. Number 3, emergency department, ICU, ICCU, VICU, and operating room. Then from the employee parking area, go forward a little, there is a mosque. Next to the mosque, there is another employee parking area. To the north, there is an ambulance and a morgue. Enter again to the north. On the left, there is a laundry room, warehouse, pharmacy, and nutrition. Move a little further north. There is a water pump room. In front of the pharmacy room, there is an inpatient ward which consists of three levels, namely, number 1, VVIP or VIP, number 2, class 1 or 2, number 3, class 3. Then in front of the inpatient room, there is a road leading to the inpatient parking area. If we look at the outside to the west, there is a wastewater treatment plant, ambulance parking, and IPSRS. That's the layout of Haji Muhammad Hospital, Parikesit, Tenggarong Seberang.